In this video, I will show you how to edit header in Astra WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can actually head over right here on our left sidebar. Now look in here for Astra. You can see your Astra right here. Just click on this customize option right here in order to customize it. Now in here, this will load and this will actually head over and customize this for you. So here it is right here, this Astra that's been loaded, and I'm actually customizing my store. As you can see, the active theme is Astra, and this right here is my header. So when I try to click on that, this actually doesn't do anything, but you can also have the option to change up things that you have for this particular header of yours. So you can also see in here the header builder. So when you click on that, you should be able to see this right here, wherein you can add the site title and logo as well as the primary menu, and you can also make this a transparent header and the likes that you can choose from here. So you can enable this on your complete website right here, and you can also disable the 404 page and all of these settings that you can see right here. So for this one, let's head over to our design, and then in here you can change the logo color as well as the background overlay. So let's choose a background overlay. For example, let's choose it to be something blue. And let's change it up just like this. So it will take some time for this to officially load the background for this particular header. But once you're done with that, you can actually see the things that's been added to that. Now you can also see in here the menu color, and all of these things are here. So when you enable this, this will actually appear on your desktop and mobile, and you can also choose if it only builds on your desktop or mobile only. So let's head back right here, and you can see in here a site title and logo. So here's my logo right here. So in here, you can also choose a logo width. You can make this smaller. As you can see, I've made mine smaller because the logo that I have earlier is so big. Now in here, you can also choose or edit out the site title as well as the tagline visibility, and the site icon as well. So for this one, you can head over to your design, and you can choose the title color as well as the tagline color, this color, and all of these things that you can see right here. So for example, let's make this their store right here, color violet. So let's change it to make it violet. As you can see, it's been changed that color right here. So you can also change a few more things according to your liking. Totally depends on you. So in here, you also change a few more things. Like for example, you can input in here the hex code and all of that. So let's head back right here to our general, and you can also change a few more things as well. So let's head back right here, and you can see in here primary menu. And you can choose in here the item divider as well as the sign of the menu that you will choose in here. So once you're done editing everything, click on the save changes right here, and then once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.